This is ilang days worth ng vlog? 4 days? This is 4 days worth of a day in our life as a barbecue vendor. But, hindi tayo nagbenta today lang. Hindi tayo nagbenta. Yeah, we didn't sell today. Cause it's our rest day. Rest day! But, yeah. Ang gloomy kasi ng weather. Tapos, hindi namin mawari kung baka uulan siya any moment. Gunners! Syempre, ang ano lang naman namin is tent lang naman siya. So, nababasa sa gilid-gilid. Anyway, enjoy!
Ano na yun? May sinabi ba si Aki? Parang wala naman. Pwede babay mo.
Babay ka dito, tol.
Babay.
Parang wala naman.
Parang wala naman. Bye.
Oh, kalame, and you're talking to me.
Touch, loving me, talking like a ooh la la la. Nobody dance like you, na na na.
Ako tong parang copy the drawing.
Hindi mo nakuha?
Hindi.
Gosh darn.
Gosh darn. Pero ano?
Phone on phone.
Yeah. Phone on phone. Ano to?
Ano to?
Sa 6th vlog ko. Ikaw 5th, diba? Yeah.
4. Ay, 5th.
Yeah.
Happy
Lahat
time.
ng mga ano. Yung mga
And you're talking to me.
pangit sa ano nito.
Ha?
Mas maganda sa ano.
Anong ginagaya? Grabe. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Every time you look at me, I blush, touch, loving me, talking like a ooh la la la. Nobody dancing like you, na na na.
Yeah.
That's what you call bini-bini.
Yeah.
Is ano?
Bini.
Bidyo.
Oo.
Siya yung kumakati. Ano tala? Shushong, Muding, Lufeng, Fumin, Wuhua, Aning, Kunming, Jining,
Malong.
Shilin.
Dito pala si Bini Malong.
Ano? Sabi Bini Shilin din.
Bini Shilin?
Ayun si Bini Miling.
Stop!
Si Bini Malong.
Why
Bini Malong.
Bini Colette?
Bini Malong.
Ha? There's no Bini Colette?
Yeah.
That's fine.
There, oh. Kujing.
Where?
This is what I bought, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa National.
You haven't edited your ano?
Hindi pa? 3-day worth, I know. Baka yung vlog ko na to is 5 days. So, these are the stuff that's for sale. Pero wala yung dyan, yung figurine at saka yung bag charm. All they have are this one. Ito. So, I bought the cable organizer. I'm hoping it's Aya, guys. I'm hoping it's Aya. Because I have Joanna and Stacy na. And I just need Aya. Oh. And this one. This is for work. I think I'll use it for work. To label yung mga resibo ko. Which is very useful. Guys, check this out. Some of these are freaking open. Like literally, pwede yung silipin kung sino. See, this is 1, 2, freaking 3. Look at that. Eto guys, open na yan siya. So, I'll fucking know who's doing this shit. Eto pa. Tinape pa para ma-redeem yung self. God damn. How disrespect. It's freaking open. Pero, syempre mas gusto namin yung may thrill. So we do not. We do not look inside. This is my cold room. What will you buy? Okay. Sayang nga, it's just one color. Sana pwedeng mang choose.
Kaya nga eh.
Because if you can, I'll definitely choose Ayas or
I will
Jones.
definitely choose my words.
Yeah.
Dude, I really want to identify which is which. I
Ano ba yung who's your, like, sino yung kailangan mo makuha? It's Sheena and Mika?
Yeah, I want Sheena and Mika because they're the cutest.
Yeah.
With of the bunch.
Yeah. Siya kasi guys, magagamit niya yung clip. Unlike me, hindi ko siya magagamit. This one, magagamit ko ang cable organizer. Kasi yung bag ko, I have power banks, I have chargers,
Yeah.
I have, like, basta marami akong
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get this.
Okay, time to pay, guys. Ano yung drink mo? That's the your tropical escape. Fruit, mango, jelly, cream, frappuccino. Okay, taste test. Ikaw nga, taste test mo nga.
Yung kanya.
Oo, dali.
What is this? Oh my God. Ano mo?
Anong gawat sa'yo, para?
Tempra.
Gosh! Tingnan nga.
Okay na.
Handcrafted, buddy. What the fuck is Jayla? Hindi masarap.
Tikman mo. Parang tempra. Ay,
Oo
salmux.
nga.
Yung salmux na strawberry.
Tapos 20 pa. Guys, friendly advice pag mag-ESB kayo. Stick with what you usually order.
Gusto ko kasi try lagi yung bago ngayon.
Ha?
Gusto ko try yung mga laging bago.
Oo.
Oh, yung
Ito si
pastry daw.
Auntie.
Pastry daw.
Ay, pastry for Eliza. The fuck is Eliza? What the fuck is Eliza? Excuse me pa. Ay, Eliza ba? Eliza. Sige po. Pa-remove ng tray. First sip of the new drink.
I-wipe pa.
Hindi na.
Ay, wag na daw.
Just lipstick lang naman yun.
Ano yun? Wait, hulaan ko.
Oo,
Dragon
wala mo.
fruit,
And,
passion fruit. Hindi ko pa nakita eh.
but,
Mango.
oo. Anong masasabi mo?
Sakto lang.
Flavor palette na kasi yung mga ganyan.
Diba kailangan mo kasi i-mix?
Actually, sinabi ko rin, try mo nga to, limix ito. Baka feeling ko kailangan din. Kasi grabe yung partition ng
Oh, girl.
I-try mo yung na-mix na. Mas better
Kasi
siya.
parang tropical eh. Tropical yung flavor niyan.
I-rate ko siya from 1 to 10.
10 out of 10. Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And then, siguro sa akin 8. Ay, hindi 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Ikaw, Gray.
Isa ulit.
Sige. Yung na-mix na, yung na-mix na.
Diba? Kahit na mix.
Ano?
Negative.
Feeling mo lang to.
Mulmulin mo muna ito tol. Jared, umuwi ka na! Tagal pa yan, tol.
Gutom na.
Hindi ko makita. Ang dami kasi.
Sarap eh. Sige. at malapit sa katawan at akin isang nanunanan parang tubig na banal.
Memorize mo yun.
Hindi, yun lang, tubig na banal.